Hi students, let us continue the lesson Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. Last time we have discussed there are three groups of people have need changes in the society: radicals, liberals and conservatives. About them we have discussed. Today's topic is industrialization. So industrialization means in industry the people who are working in Europe, that also large number in population, heavy amount of the people, large amount of people working in different types of industries throughout the Europe. So as well as the improvement development in technology in industries, what happened positively, the industries taken speed, there is an accelerator in the development of industries, as well as some negatives also there in industrialization. So many changes in society because of the industrialization and because of the introducing of new types of technology. Positively they are growing. Negatively what? Unemployment means because of some technology the people lost their work, the machines started to work, people lost their job. Okay, that is a type of negative effect of the industrialization. Means the improvement of technology and science, what happened, the number of machines used more, and because of the works done by the people very beginning, now because of machines, now the people working nowadays, machines are started to working. That's why what happened, the people in the place of people are men and women, the machines came. That's why there was a negative role or negative point comes, that is called unemployment. Second point is low wages. Because of rising industrialization or science and technology improvement, what happened, the people, there no respect for them because machines are working, and even though what happened, they are getting low wages and less money. And next, the people where industrialization is going on, the industries are there people start to live. The some points or centers, industrialization is there, industries are there large amount of people start to live. One place, one center, people start to live, like today in Bangalore, Mysore, like that. Because of that, what happened, there is a shortage in food or some problems has created because all the people in one place, some places are empty. Where is industrialization or industries are there, money can are there, all the people come together, started to their live. That's why what happened, there is a health issues comes, cleanliness, sanitization, so many problems created in one place. Okay, this all affect or changes in the society because of industrialization. Okay, so what are the views of liberals and radicals on industries? Okay, so their views are what? We know that liberals and radicals, their views on industries. So their views are all industries were individuals' property. Means industries are run by private people, not by the government. Wealth through trade and industries ventures. Means industry is the occupation, and because of that only we can earn the money or wealth. Workforce healthy and educated. Work should be done or appoint should be by educated. Means the people who educated, for them only want to give them job, and their health also we should observe. Oppose birth-based privileges and old autocracy. Means they against, means birth-based means because of the caste, because of the status, giving facility, it should be avoided. And also their view is to avoid old, what is that, aristocracy means church. You have to remember the French Revolution, there how the church were dominating the people, how the church were ruling the people, giving trouble to the common people. Like that, the liberals and radicals, they having own ideas about industries. How should be the industries? That should be individual property, and that is the main occupation, and giving trade system to the society, and the appoint or job should be given to the educated people, and the workforce healthy, the job, the time want to do the work in the industry, that should be healthy. Not to go 10 hours, 8 or 12 hours, 15 hours, not. Limited hours they should work and they should take care of their health. And special facilities should be avoided, especially because of the church. Okay, this all about industries. Next concept is the revolutionaries. What is revolution means? First of all, revolutionaries means the people who like to change the society by doing some hiding work or secret society they form. That people are called revolutionaries, and their ideas are spreading of nationalism, opposing monarchy system, and they want freedom and to avoid the church system, and bringing a country which state it should be very strong. Okay, people oriented democratic government they want. These demands who raised, and not only raising, working even secret society they form. That group of people are called the revolutionaries. One of the a famous revolutionary from Europe is called Giuseppe Mazzini. Okay, Giuseppe Mazzini is the person who is a famous revolutionary, and also I will send more information about him in a different video. Observe that. Okay, thank you so much. Next topic is socialism.